Everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error. So whenever you face some issue while opening something to get the library error of Microsoft Visual C runtime, so how you can solve it. So first of all, go to your run, pressing on Windows R, click on run. Then right here appwiz.cpl and hit enter. So as you can see that there are a lot of options of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. As you can see, there is a lot of things, so I'm gonna repair the latest one. So as you can see there, this is 2015, the Microsoft Visual C redistributable. So if click right button of this and then click on change, then click on repair, then click on yes. So the setup progress is running. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable. So as you can see, it is taking time. So the complete setup successful. Now once you restart your computer, so the problem of the runtime library error of Microsoft Visual C++ will be resolved. So now just restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, if you see that the problem is still running, so all you need to do, go to the website and then download the Visual C++ redistributable based on your PC requirements. So as you can see, these are the requirements, these are the files. As you can see, if based on your PC requirement, download the Microsoft C++ redistributable. So then install it, and then the issue will be resolved. So thanks for watching.